Helen's Asian Kitchen carbon steel wok for stir-frying, stewing, sauteing, steaming, braising, frying, and deep frying favorite Asian recipes and more. Made from 1.6 mm carbon steel with heat-resistant bamboo handle, helper handle, and high-domed lid. Sturdy riveted design, hangs to store. Carbon steel distributes heat quickly so foods cook evenly. Cooking surface collects a natural patina over time for non-stick cooking performance. Flat bottom sits securely on any stovetop. Works with gas, electric and induction. High domed lid retains heat and prevents splatters. Helen's Asian Kitchen carbon steel wok is the perfect addition to cookware for stir-frying, stewing, sauteing, steaming, braising, frying, and deep frying favorite Asian recipes and so much more. Crafted from a sturdy 1.6 mm carbon steel, it distributes heat quickly so foods cook evenly. The cooking surface collects a natural patina over time to create that coveted non-stick cooking performance. The bamboo handle and helper handles are heat-resistant for comfortable use. Its sturdy riveted and flat-bottom design sits securely on any stovetop and works equally well with gas, electric, and induction. The high-domed lid retains heat during the cooking process and prevents splatters. The wok hangs for easy storage. Carbon steel is easily seasoned, reseasoned, and maintained to help prevent rust. Successive seasoning and regular use will gradually build a black patina, providing a smooth, stick-resistant surface, much like a well-seasoned cast iron skillet. The more use the pan gets, the darker and more stick-resistant it becomes. It is completely normal for an unseasoned wok to develop rust. Rust will not harm or alter the performance of the wok in any way. Simply scour away the rusted areas and season as instructed. Before first-time use, clean thoroughly, then season to seal the surface and prevent rusting. Set includes a 13-inch bamboo spatula, recipe booklet, full use and care instructions along. Defects in workmanship. Brought to you by HIC Harold Import Co. Top reviews from the United States. Great value. The wok came in good shape. Heated the wok up twice according to the instructions, then use a SOS pad to clean it. Another poster suggested using the oven to season it, did it twice. Next heated the wok up on medium heat with some oil. I then put in 1 bunch of sliced green onions and a handful of sliced ginger. Sauté them with consistent stirring and smashing the aromatics against the sides and bottom for 15 minutes. Wiped out the wok and heated it a little longer until the oil was gone. I have used it 4 times already and could not be happier. It's a little time consuming to do the seasoning, but when you are done you will be happy with the results.